So, you've made a major investment in a powerful LiFePO4 battery system. That's fantastic. But are you truly protecting it? Because the one component that can literally make or break your entire setup is the charger. And yeah, that's a serious question you need to ask. Not all chargers are created equal, and using the wrong one isn't just inefficient, it can be actively destructive to the very battery it's supposed to be helping. And that's really the core issue we're tackling today. We're going to break down exactly why the right charger is so critical and how you can make sure you've got the perfect one for your system. This is all about maximizing the performance and, of course, the long life of your battery. Okay, let's get into it. Why is this device so much more than just a plug and a cable? Well, think of it as the gatekeeper for the health and performance of your battery. This is not your generic off-the-shelf charger. Not at all. It's a highly specialized piece of equipment engineered precisely for the unique chemistry of lithium iron phosphate. The best way to think about it is like a custom-fit key for a high-performance engine. You wouldn't just use any old key, right? So what is the big difference here? How does this specialized engineering actually protect your battery? Come on, let's look under the hood. All right, if you remember one number today, make it this one, 29.2 volts. This is the magic number. It's the precise voltage a 24-volt LiFePO4 battery needs to reach a full, healthy charge. Anything less, and you're leaving power on the table. Anything more, and you risk permanent damage. It has to be exact. The real intelligence is in its two-stage process. First up is constant current. Imagine you're filling a glass of water. This is like turning the faucet on full blast to fill it up quickly. Then, just as it gets near the top, it switches to constant voltage, slowing down to a trickle to top it off perfectly without spilling a drop. This ensures you get a 100% charge without overstressing the battery cells. And on top of that smart charging, you've got all these built-in safety features. Each one is like a dedicated bodyguard protecting against a specific electrical problem. You've got protection from too much voltage, from things getting too hot. These features are absolutely non-negotiable for protecting both the charger and your expensive battery. Now, this is where it all comes together. The charger isn't working alone here. It's in constant communication with the battery's brain, the Battery Management System, or BMS. This little dialogue allows it to adjust for temperature, help rebalance cells, and know exactly when to stop. It's a perfect partnership. But look, this tech isn't just some abstract theory. It's the engine that powers the things you love to do. Let's see what this looks like out in the real world. First up, the open road. For anyone living that RV life, you know dependable off-grid power is, well, it's everything. The big challenge in an RV is that you're always dealing with different power sources. A dedicated LiFePO4 charger is designed to take power from a campsite hookup or a generator and convert it perfectly for your battery bank. It makes sure you're always ready for the next adventure. Next, let's talk about solar. Storing the sun's energy is a total game changer for energy independence. So in a solar system, the charger plays this vital backup role. I mean, what happens on cloudy days? Well, it can step in, pull power from the grid or a generator, and make sure your batteries are topped off and ready to go. It just provides a totally seamless energy supply. And now for marine applications, where, let's be honest, the environment is about as tough as it gets. Out on the water, you're dealing with salt, moisture, constant vibration. It's brutal. Marine-grade chargers are built for this. They have sealed, waterproof enclosures and parts that resist corrosion. They are literally engineered to survive and perform in the harshest conditions. Okay, so now you know why you need one. Let's get practical. How in the world do you pick the right one from all the options out there? This is your roadmap to making a really confident choice. Here, just look at this side by side. This shows you exactly why you can't just use a standard lead-acid charger. See the voltage difference? A lead-acid charger just tops out too low. It will consistently undercharge your LiFePO4 battery, and that reduces its capacity and its lifespan. They are fundamentally incompatible, period. Think of this as your technical checklist. When you're comparing different models, these are the specs to look for. Universal input voltage for flexibility, that crucial 28.8 to 29.2 volt output, the correct CC/CV algorithm, and key safety certifications. This is your baseline for a quality charger. And to make it even simpler, just remember these three things. 1. Match the charger's amps to your battery's capacity.
A good rule of thumb is between 30 and 50% of its amp-hour rating. 2. Always, and I mean always, choose a smart charger. And 3. Think about your environment. If there's any chance it could get wet, get a waterproof one. It's really that simple.
All right, finally, once you have the right charger, you've got to take care of it. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way in making sure it has a long, effective life, protecting your battery. And these tips are incredibly easy. Keep it clean, keep it cool, check the cables for wear and tear every now and then, and just give it a rest when you're not using it for a while. These simple habits will keep your whole power system running in peak condition for years. This really says it all, doesn't it? The charger isn't just an accessory. It is a vital component. It's truly the foundational piece that dictates the health, safety, and performance of your entire energy system. So, with that peace of mind that comes from knowing your investment is secure and your power is reliable, the only question left is, what adventure, what project, what passion are you going to power next?